Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to modify numbering within Canva for 2025. Canva serves as a robust platform for diverse design tasks. Utilizing numbered lists or bullet points is a fantastic way to structure your information, making it much easier for readers to follow. Let's jump straight into the process of using these tools in your projects. To begin, log into your Canva account and select the Doc option. This specific feature opens the document editor where you can start drafting or refining your text. Once the editor loads, look at the top section of the screen to locate the plus symbol. This button is your main tool for inserting different components, such as the essential numbered list. After clicking the plus icon, choose Numbered List from the available menu. This setting will automatically place numbers at the start of every new line you create. It's a huge time saver because it maintains a clean structure without requiring you to type every digit manually. Just type your content, and Canva handles the sequence, updating itself whenever you add or delete items. If the default numbering doesn't quite fit your design, you have the freedom to switch to a different style. This flexibility ensures your document looks professional and meets your specific project goals. Experiment with various formats until you find the perfect match. You can also explore alternative list formats. Return to that plus icon to see what else is available. By clicking it again, you'll find options for bullet points or checklists. Bullets work best for items that don't need a specific order, while checklists are ideal for tracking tasks or to-do items. Always consider your audience when choosing a style, as the right list can highlight key details and improve flow. Whether you're working on a business report, a lesson plan, or a personal task, these tools will improve your presentation. That concludes our guide on managing Canva numbering for 2025. Canva makes organizing your ideas simple and fast. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps your workflow. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides.